This is a short illustrative presentation to show you why it hurts so much when you wait to get paid. So let's dive right into it here. So on day 1 through 17, this is what's happening. Let's say on day 1, you watch your account balance on Amazon grow $1,000. So you've made some sales, you've gotten your profit in, and Amazon shows that you now have an account balance of $1,000 that they now owe you. On day 2, we're just going to keep the math simple here. You're owed another 1,000, so you're up to $2,000 now after day 2. By day 7, you're owed $7,000, and so on. And then by the end of day 14, you're owed $14,000 from Amazon. So now you have $14,000 in accumulated funds, which have been sitting dormant for 14 days. Now you also have to wait an additional 3 days for the funds to post to your bank account. So you're 17 days into this with no reinvestment activity, no ordering, no nothing. Now let's look at day 18 through 31. On day 18, you finally got the money into your bank account and you can begin reordering merchandise to get that $14,000 spent. And it's crucial that you get 100% of it spent as quickly as possible, or else you're going to start losing money. So on day 19, theoretically, all your orders are placed and you've reinvested your working capital again. So now day 20 through 27, you're waiting for the products you ordered to arrive. So you're still in this waiting game. Even though you got paid, you're still waiting. Day 28 through 30, you prep, pack, and ship the merchandise to Amazon fulfillment centers finally. And then day 31 plus, you wait for your shipments to arrive at Amazon and the merchandise to start finally selling. What a mess, right? Now you've gone 31 plus days in without reinvesting anything. So everything's gone dormant. So let's see how much quantum profit was lost during this whole process. So let's suppose that you were going to reinvest that $14,000 into 20% average ROIs, and you wanted to turn that $14,000 a measly twice in a 30-day period. So we just keep things modest here just to show you a dramatic example of how much this hurts. So I'm going to plug in the capital here into this calculator. It's $14,000, minimum sourced ROIs at 20%, and we're just going to say that we're reinvesting 100% of that. So if you're just doing 2 reinvestments, you reinvest the $14,000 one time, and then you reinvest it again with compounding of all the capital that you earned the first time and the profits that you earned. You compound it again a second time in a 30-day period, you're looking at $20,160. So we'll take the calculator here. We got $20,160, and we're going to subtract $14,000. And we get a net loss of $6,160. So in this example, that's a quantum loss of $6,160, and that's just missing 2 turnovers in a 30-day period. So even if you just missed one, you're still missing substantial amounts of income. So any way you slice it, waiting to get paid is costing you greatly. So what's the solution? Of course, it is to get paid daily. So you want to work on that as soon as possible. You should set this up. This act alone will more than pay for your investment in this course, because it's going to allow you to do your reinvestment and compounding of capital.